Let me call on Barrister Peace Anuna to give us a brief, just a dossier on why we're here.
Mr. Captain, Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Edo State, who stands here on his own, as well as representing the Governor of Edo State, the Secretary to Government of Edo State, Barrister Ogil, our own acting EPA, the #1 lady of Edo State, seated here, the wife of the Deputy Governor, the captain, Ikeja Golf Club, Honorable Commissioners, local government chairmen, captains of other clubs here, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, golfers all. I have the permission of the acting EPA, the Obama PT group, which is a very special group in this session. The Deputy Governor of Edo State is one of us and a formidable member of the Obama PT group. Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor, you are welcome. This tournament of today has been organized by the Obama PT group to celebrate with the Deputy Governor, who is part of us, and the Governor of Edo State by extension, who is also a golfer, the very outstanding victory in the recently concluded election in Edo State. We felt we should honor our own, and we have to invite people to come out to play. The Ikeja group, who has come all the way from Lagos to join us, we are grateful to you, and we enjoy your presence and your participation in this tournament. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you again.
Pro herself, Mrs. Debbie Utabo. A round of applause for her. Yeah. Thank you. Near the pen, ladies, we have Miss Rita Isoji. Near the pen, men, we have General Oscar Ihimain. A round of applause for him. Yeah. For too long before they can take their meal. That is why we need to take it table by table. Baby, fire they go. All the guests sit up
On a battle that was well fought, and of course, it was won because God came down. His Excellency Godwin Obaseki and Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu were celebrating their victory. We would like to call on members of the captain's table, led by the captain and, of course, His Excellency and acting NEPA of Jami Worldwide to come and do justice to the cutting of this cake. Without much ado, I think we'll give His Excellency the honor, since he's the celebrant. Mr. Captain, with your permission. We have nothing other to spell than the word golf. Can somebody give me a G? An extraordinary O. Would I say a loquacious L? And of course, a fantastic A. Mr. DJ, are you there?
Let me use this opportunity to thank the organizing committee of this tournament. You know, the members of Obama Kitty Group. I thank you for a beautiful tournament that you have organized today. For those that want to know, everything that you see here was organized by members of Obama Kitty Group. And this beautiful trophy that you see here, I want to tell you people, during this year, the governor and the deputy beautified this course, painting new billboards, and what you are seeing as an electronic scoreboard. This is the first, I want to believe, in this country. So, Esalon, Obama Kitty Group, your own group, I said we should thank you with this very, very trophy. So, on behalf of Obama Kitty Group, Excelon, it's my privilege to present this to you, to thank you for what you've been to the Kitty Group and what you continue to be. God bless you.
On behalf of Obama Kitty Group, before I present this trophy to you, because it's for the Excellency, Executive Governor of Edo State, which probably is not with us here today, but I hope that very soon will be around to join us, because he has done great things in this state, which we appreciate. So on behalf of the Kitty Group, I present this to you. Thank you.
May I call on the Deputy Governor, Comrade Philip Shaibu, to do this presentation. Beating everybody gross, Dr. Emmanuel Igodaro. Thank you, Your Excellency, thank you. Professor, no better time to win. The victory tournament for a man who can pay run the 192 ward of Edo State, and indeed got the deserved victory. Let us call on the winner of this victory kit, organized by the Obama Kitty Group, no other person than His Excellency, Right Honorable
commissioners, chairmen of councils, Golfers Hall. Kabiyesi, I recognize you. Golfers Halls, including intending golfers. Acting IPA and Captain Today, you know why I played well? I just told, before I left house, I told myself, I said I'm going to win. And I look at my wife, I say, will they go play and win? I'm in the winning mood. When I got to the golf course, I was paired with 2 captains and 1 former captain. So I said, okay, what I will do, I'll just be following them. And I told myself too one thing, I said, today, I will avoid OB. If I can avoid OB, I will win. So I just said, okay, anywhere I'm playing 8, I will play 7, so that I will not force it. I will just tap. So I was tapping all through. And I learned that tapping from Ejoma. You know that golf is love and life. Campaigns came and campaigns are gone. In this golf course, during campaign, people will see, I will call acting I say game day. So yes, so game day 1:30 or 2:30. Or I call Dr. Godaro, I call Ben, and when I finish playing, they say, somebody will call me. You and kiddies, when I see they play game, when I see they play game, I can play game. I'll just be laughing. When you are a golfer, just know that you must share love and life. When I say golf is a game of life, it's truly a game of life. And if you want to make some critical decisions, just come and play a round of golf. Before you finish, before you get to 13, something will come up. So when you are a golfer, just know that you must share love and life. When I say golf is a game of life, it's truly a game of life. And this golf course definitely will continue to wear good looks, and it will be definitely one of the best in Nigeria. Because you can't have the governor and deputy playing golf. And don't forget, we have history. When you talk about golf courses in Nigeria, here, Benin is the home of golf. It is registered, confirmed. And even when we say Edono be Lagos, it is true, because even in Ikeja, there are babies. I want to thank, I know if not for this kind of tournament, you won't be here now. Our Kosisi one, I want to thank you. I want to thank all of us that have participated in this tournament, the committee, acting IPA, captain, Dr. Igodaro, all of us, the caddies, even those that, the food, all the caterers, everybody, cameramen, everybody that contributed to the success of this program. I said thank you and God bless all of you.